Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to increase audio volume in CapCut with laptop or PC. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your CapCut and then drag the media file from the media room page right here into the timeline, just like what you see right here. Now, having dragged the media into the timeline, let's play the media and let's hear the audio first. And this is the So you can see the audio here is very much low. Now let's see how you can increase the audio volume to your best taste. And for you to do that in CapCut, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on audio, and then you have so many options right here. Now from the volume right here, you can simply increase the slider, and then let's quickly go back and replay the video again. You can see the audio increase a little bit. You can also come back to the volume section right here, drag it all the way down to the maximum. Then let's play back the audio again from the video. My name is right here, and this video how to find your Wi-Fi. Perfect. So it's as simple as that. The audio has drastically increased without any stress. This is how best to increase the volume of your audio in CapCut. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.